Today we're taking a look at the GmGn Trading Bot, one of the best trading bots on the market. They have a lot of cool and unique features that I want to show you guys. So today will be a complete tutorial of how to get started using GmGn and how to benefit from it so you can make a lot of money from meme coins. Now, if you do want to trade on GmGn, you can sign up with my link down below to get less fees on their platform. So this is what the trading bot looks like. And on the homepage, you have the trending tokens. You can see that right now on the 1 minute, the Trump token is still trending, even though it came out like 4 days ago, but obviously it's still very hot. You also have the 5-minute trending tokens, hourly, 6-hour and 24-hour. So obviously if you keep a close eye on the 1 minute and 5 minute, for example, you'll always stay up to date on what the hottest tokens are at the exact moment you are looking, because basically in the last minute these are the tokens with the highest volume and most transactions, etc. But similar to some other trading bots, you obviously also have the Pump Fun dashboard or Moonshot dashboard, where you can see all of the newest creations on Pump Fun. You have the quick buy feature right here. You can obviously change the amount of the quick buy based on however much you want the quick buy to be. You can also set your own filters, for example, the status of the bonding curve, the market cap, 1 hour transactions, total holders volume, age, and these other things as well. And here you have the tokens that are about to complete the bonding curve and then the ones that are already completed. You can also see the same thing on Moonshot. Then you can see only the new creations. You can see the ones that are about to complete here in more detail. The ones that are soaring, meaning the ones that are getting a lot of momentum and have gained the most amount in the last minute and 5 minutes. So these features are obviously fairly standard. Most trading bots do have these features, but GmGn is definitely one of the fastest ones on the market. You then have a copy trading feature, which I will get back to, and you have this follow feature where you can follow different wallets and keep a closer eye on exactly what they are trading. Because if you, for example, go on to the Trump token in more detail, this should also be fairly familiar to you guys. This is what it looks like. You have the chart, you have all of the activity. It updates super quick, so you can see all of the live transactions happening on the Trump token. And if you hover over it, you can pause the transactions in case there's any specific one you want to look closer into. On the right hand side, you can click onto this feature, which shows you some details about the first 70 buyers of this token. You can see that 2 out of the 70 were snipers. You can see that 53 of them have sold their entire position, etc. The only risk on this token is that all the tokens or liquidity is not burnt. You obviously have your buy and sell feature right here, so I can just click buy 0.1 buy and it executes it super quickly. You can also put your own take profit and stop loss if you want to. You can then set your own slippage. I personally have it on auto, and this auto feature adjusts based on the token itself. If it's a small market cap token, the auto slippage becomes higher. I've seen it up to like 30% on high volatility small market cap tokens. So I personally am happy with just keeping it at auto. It does a pretty good job adjusting itself based on what token you are trading. You then have the volume and some more information on the tokens down here. But some of the cool features that they have is that you can see all of these different types of wallets. For example, you can click on smart wallet. This only shows you the transactions from different smart wallets who have traded this token. And then if you can click on any of these wallets and see more in detail exactly what these guys are trading. So this guy has a win rate of 50%. He's up 72k, 140% in the last 7 days. You can see all of his recent P&L, his active holdings, and his recent activity. You then have this option to copy trade him. So if you click on to copy trade, you can set exactly how much you want to copy trade him for. You can choose auto sells, not sell, custom, take profit, or stop loss. You can also open more advanced settings so that you, for example, only copy the trades that are between 50k market cap and 900k. For example, you can choose your own liquidity, minimum burnt, etc. But I'm gonna make a separate video on this copy trading feature, put it to the test, potentially do like a copy trading challenge with this copy trading feature to show you exactly how well it works. And you can then follow him right here, and he will obviously show up in your follow section right here. But that was just the smart wallets. You also have KOL wallets. So here you can see all of the KOLs who are trading this token, and you even have the option to go straight on to their X profile, so you can see exactly who it is that are trading this token. So this is the guy who owns this wallet, who bought. And then you can also see whale wallets, you can see fresh wallets, you can see the sniper wallets, the top holders, and the ones you are following as well. And then in the bottom left, you have their sniper feature, where you can snipe new tokens. So these are the new liquidity pools that have been created, and it shows you the tokens, shows you some basic information about about them: volume, market cap, initial liquidity, etc. And you then have the options to snipe or quick buy these different tokens. So I just bought some major as well, just to show you what this portfolio section looks like. So this is what it looks like. Shows you your holding, duration, your balance. It allows you to sell 100% if you want, or share, etc. And another super cool and unique thing about GmGn is that they have their very own mobile application. Most trading bots only allow you to trade via Telegram on your phone, which, let's be honest, is not the best way to trade on your phone. But GmGn recently launched their iOS and Google Play Store for Android application. Now, please be aware, do not install the app that shows up when you search for GmGn on the App Store, because this is scam and fake, because the official application is still under review by the App Store. So to download it, just go on their Twitter and you will find this link. You basically need to download it from TestFlight because it is still a test application. So you need to download TestFlight and then download GmGn on the TestFlight app. This is only for iOS. It actually is on the Google App Store right now. But to show you what the app actually looks like, let me open it here on my phone. So this is what it looks like when you first download it. You obviously need to connect your Telegram to link it to your existing account, and then you can start trading. You can see your assets, you can copy trade, and if I go on to any of these tokens, for example Pengu, this is what it looks like. Super interactive, very easy to use. You have your buy and sell feature at the bottom right here. You can see all of the activity, similar to the web application. But honestly, this is such a better way to trade on your phone than most of your normal Telegram trading bots, and it makes it super easy to always have your trades accessible both on your computer but also on your phone whenever you're on the go. You can also get real-time zero delay notifications straight on your phone whenever you're in trades, or you get alerts on wallets you're following, etc. And that's one of the best things about GmGn. They make it super easy to trade both on your phone and your computer. Plus, it is just one of the best and fastest trading bot on the market. Now, if you do want to trade on GmGn, you can sign up with my link down below to get less fees on their platform. It helps support me, and it obviously helps you as well with some less fees on their platform. Now, if you have any questions regarding GmGn, do let me know down below in the comment section, and I will do my very best to answer your questions. As I said, I will make a full video about their copy trading feature and really put it to the test, so do make sure to stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe down below. Sign up to GmGn down below as well. And also, if you're looking for the best exchange on the market to buy some Solana to get started trading meme coins, check out my Phemex link down below. You can sign up and get some welcome bonuses as well. They have also recently released their Meme X platform, which allows you to trade meme coins super easily straight from the exchange. So if you don't want to get into this whole DeFi world of trading meme coins, you can also do it straight on the exchange right here. So I will leave the Phemex link down below. Also, join my Telegram, join my Discord, follow me over on Twitter. All of those links will be down below as well. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.